Hey all, welcome back to the Fire and Water Cooking Channel. I'm Darren. Today we're going to take those lovely lamb chops that we got from Crowd Cow the other day and we're going to cook them up sous vide. I'll be right back.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from fire and water.
Alright guys, so if you check out the video in the iCard above, you'll see the unboxing that I did of the order from Crowd Cow that I got. And I ordered, these are 6 little shoulder or loin lamb chops from a farm up in upstate New York, so they're domestic lamb. So we're going to try these out today. I'm going to throw them in the sous vide at 134 for about 2 hours or so and cook them up. Before I froze these, I actually seasoned them up with a little bit of Atlanta Grill Company's Man Cave Meals beef mojo. So I used a little bit of this beef mojo to season them up, vacuumed up, froze them. Now I'm just going to toss them in the sous vide at 134. I've had that going now for a little while, so it's up to temp. We're just going to cook these for a little bit over 2 hours to get them around medium rare. Then we're going to sear them up real quick and serve them up. So, all right, I'm going to toss these right in the sous vide. All right, I'm back. It's been about a little over 2 hours. I got these nice looking lamb chops. I'm going to take them out of the bag real quick, pat them dry, and we're going to sear them up on the Kamado Joe Soapstone tonight. There's not a whole lot of bag juices in there. There's a little bit, so if I wanted to, I could make a nice little sauce with them, but there's really not a whole lot in there, so I'm not going to do it tonight. I'm just going to get rid of that purge. We're going to pat them dry. I'll be right back. All right, I think my soapstone is going to be right up to temp as soon as we get out there. So I'm patting these dry real good so we can get a nice sear. Like I said, these smell really well. I don't, not able to find domestic lamb real easy around here. It's usually imported. I'm not a big fan of imported lamb. It's usually a little more gamey than I like. But this is this lamb is from a farm in upstate New York. It's called Avon, New York. It's kind of south of Rochester area. It's kind of around the area I grew up. My sister actually lived in Avon for a while, so I'm familiar with the area. And you can find these on Crowd Cow. Like I said, one of the things I love about Crowd Cow is you can actually order directly from the farm. This is like one of the only lamb providers they have right now on Crowd Cow. And when they run out of something, they run out. After I bought these, they actually ran out, and they only have right now, I think, leg of lamb right now. So, but I'm sure they'll have more coming down the road. But I'm going to put just a little bit more of the Mojo, Beef Mojo, Man Cave Meals. Not a ton, just a little bit. Kind of make up for some of the stuff that washed off during the sous vide bath. And I'm going to use avocado oil to sear these again. Really love using avocado oil to sear, especially on the soapstone. It just turns out a fantastic sear. So, all right, I'm going to get out on the grill, and I'll see you out there. All right, guys, my soapstone is nice and hot, probably about 700 degrees right now. Put a little of that avocado oil down. Just want a nice base of that oil down there. Put my lamb chops on. We're only going to have them on for about 45 seconds on each side. I'm going to flip them over after the first 45 seconds. See, I already got a nice crust on them. I'm going to keep them on there for another 40 seconds or so. And then we're going to flip them over one more time just to make sure we got a solid crust. And then we're going to take these bad boys off the grill. Here we are, guys. Check those out. Don't they look great? I'm going to just cut this one right here open. Still got some color to it. Still medium rare as far as I'm concerned. So, yeah, take a look at that. All right, take me a bite. Very tender. Wow. I gotta say, that's some of the best lamb I've ever had. It's not gamey at all. Very flavorful. Nice sear. That beef mojo is really good on it. Check it out, guys. Check out Crowd Cow. Check out the domestic lamb from Kyle Farms in Avon, New York. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Check out the Fire and Water Cooking podcast anywhere you find podcasts. And I'll see you again on the next video. Thanks again.